Hello everyone, I'm Neha Sawant from the team Bootstrap Paradox, and our problem statement is to design a translation software with multi inputs to translate English to Hindi or vice versa to promote extensive use of Hindi language in official matters. So, our main idea is to create a website which will be designed specifically to translate text, documents, images, audios, and videos from English to Hindi and vice versa using NLP. So, in the first stage, we have implemented text to text conversion in which the user will give text as an input and that text will be translated from Hindi to English or English to Hindi using the Google Trans API. And nextly, we have also added the feature in which the user can give image as an input and the text present in the image will be extracted by using the PyTesseract OCR and then it will be translated using Google Trans API. Similarly, we have also added the feature of PDF translation in which the user can give PDF as an input and the text present in the PDF it will be extracted using the PDF miner and it will be translated from Hindi to English or the opposite language using Google Trans API. And the main feature of our website is real-time translation of audio, in which the user can speak whatever he wants to translate, and at the same time, the audio will be translated in the form of the text and it will be visible on the output screen. So for this, we have used PyAudio speech recognition as the Python libraries, which will be very helpful. Then we have also implemented the audio file translation in which the user can give audio file as an input. The audio file will be first converted into the text using speech recognition and PyDub libraries, and then the translated text will be displayed on the output screen. And we have also included the video translation in which the user can give video as an input and the audio from the video will be extracted using MoviePy and that audio will be translated into the text. I mean, which will be the video will be converted into the text using PyAudio and speech recognition. And after that, the translated text which will be done by Google Trans. It will be displayed in the video in the form of subtitles. And all of this translation will be of 100% accuracy. And these are the certain outputs which we have implemented until now, and this is the technology stack which we have used in our website: HTML, CSS, JS. This is used for the front end, and certain important Python libraries like Flask, which is used for the framework, Google Trans, which is the backbone of our website. It will be used for the translation, and PyTesseract OCR, as I said, it will be used for image text extraction from the images, and PDF miner will be used for text extraction from the PDF. Speech recognition will be used for recognizing this speech during audio translation, and PyAudio will be used for the same. Now I would like to say a few things about our website, that it can be used by certain educational institutions like UGC. As our problem statement comes under the UGC organization, we have researched about it, and we found out that it is looking forward to translate its English book into Hindi, which will be beneficial to many local students. And that's it. I would like to pass on the presentation to my teammate Firdaus Khan. Thank you.
Focusing on the current slide, I would like to begin with the use cases. It completely depends on the user, what he has to use based on his requirements. Let us see each implemented feature one by one. The very first includes the simple text-to-text translation. That is, the user has to select the text field, enter his input, and the translated text will be displayed. The another feature is for image translation. User has to upload the required image and the translation of the extracted text from the image will be shown. Moving on to the next feature, which includes the translation of the documents. User will upload the document. Any kind of document is supported. The text will be extracted and translation will be displayed. The fourth feature is based on real-time translation. The moment the moment user will speak, its translated text will be shown. For this, he has to hold the button down and speak out something, and accordingly the translation will be provided. The second last feature is implemented for getting the translation from the audio file. Here the user has to upload an audio file, after which the speech in it will be recognized, and then the translation will be completed. The output will be displayed accordingly. The last but not the least feature on which our team is working and it will be implemented soon is the video translation. Here the same process will be repeated as same as the image, documents and the audio translation. The user has to upload the video file. Then the audio from the video will be extracted. The speech in the video will then be converted into text. Its translation will be provided in the form of subtitles. It will be embedded in the video itself. If the user wants to listen what is displayed as an output, he can click the speaker icon. This feature will be implemented soon by our team. Our team is working on it. Now moving on to the second half of the slide, I shall be going with the dependencies. For accessing our website, the basic requirements like any device, internet connection or browser are must. Google Trans API is the most important requirement as the website is designed for translation purpose. Moving on to the conclusion, I would like to show the demo of our project.
Believe in yourself. Have faith in your abilities. Without a humble but reasonable confidence in your own powers, you cannot be successful or happy.
Hello, what's your name?